recording the video with other news. Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. Best offer on earphone, headphone, speakers. The Amazon Great Indian Festival 2020 sale is currently underway with great deals and discounts on a range of audio products. These products include wireless earphones, headphones, and speakers. We have handpicked some of the best deals and offer you might want to see before taking a plug into a C products during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale this week. Amazon is also offering you a chance to maximize your purchase with exchange and or payments offers during the festival season. Amazon is offering up to 75% all of headphones and up to 60% discount on speakers during the Great Indian Festival 2020 sale. The Realme Buds Wireless 2S are neckband style earphone that are available at a price of rupees 1099 during the Amazon sale, about 63% off from their MRP. You can also avail rupees 300 cashback and get rupees 2200 welcome reward on a Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Board AirDots 141. The Boat AirDots 141 are true wireless stereo earphones that are available at a price of rupees 949 during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. They are available on the massive 79% discount, and you can further get rupees 300 cashback and get rupees 2200 welcome rewards on the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are a premium TWS earphone that can be purchased at a price of the 6490 during the sale. SBI Bank credit card customer can get a 10% instant discount up to 1250 on the transaction. Those who use SBI Bank credit cards can get flat rupees 300 off on the transaction. Another news. CBSE Media and Entertainment Skills Council to upskill educate student. The Central Board of Secondary Education has signed an agreement with the Media and Entertainment Skill Council to contribute to the students and society at large. The specific focus of this agreement is to enhance skill development, education, and training for the media and entertainment sectors. The MESC will assist CBSE in identifying the right programs to be offered across various schools based on the future requirements. The agreement will help in providing details on the technical know-how in establishing computer labs, sounds and production studios and various facilities which shall be required for successful delivery of programs. Teachers will also get benefited through participation in various industry events, webinars and workshops by key stakeholders. MESC will be offering series of interaction and workshops on students on preparation of various national and international competition and will also be working closely to develop and execute art Olympiad. Specific modules related to the same will be developed by MESC and will be offered across schools through CBSE MSc, said in a release. CBSE along with MESC will organize series of awareness camps across the country on the importance of integrating media and entertainment related programs modules in a school at various levels. The principal will also benefit from industry and field visits, interaction with professionals and experts. Salaries in India likely to rise by 10.4% in 2023. Corporate India's bullish about its strong business performance and expected to dole out a double-digit salary hike of as much as 10.4% in 2022, a survey said on Monday. According to leading global professional services firm Aon PLC, latest salary increases survey in India remuneration in India are expected to increase by 10.5% in 2023 compared to an actual increase of 10.6% of that in 2022, which is slightly higher than the 9.9% increase projected in February. The study that analyzes data across 1300 companies from more than 40 industries in India noted that the attrition rate of the first half of 2022 continued to be high at 20.3%, marginally lower than the 21% recorded in the 2021, thus retaining the pressure on salaries. This trend is expected to continue for the next few months, the survey noticed. Despite the global recessionary headwinds and volatile domestic information, salary increases projected in the India for 2023 are in the double digits. Rupang Chaudhary, partner Human Capital Solution at Aon in India, said, "This increases is a reflection of the confidence that corporate India has in its strong business performance. Business leaders, however, must make decisions that ensure their workforce remain resilient today as well as into the future. They need to review their total rewards strategies and balance the impact of rising costs and salary pressure with relatively high rate and of attrition and the ongoing demands of the critical talent," Chaudhary added. The survey also found that four out of the first out of the five sectors that are expected to have the highest project salary increase are technologies related and experience the highest volatility and impact of current global economic uncertainty. With an expected salary increase of 12.8%, e-commerce leads sector within the highest project increase, followed by startups at 12.7%. High-tech information technology and information technology enabled services at 11.3% and financial institutions at 10.7%. As a broad economic circumstance, impact the talent landscape. Business must create holistic reward strategy unique to their situation and sector to retain and attract the talent they need. Thank you.